Welcome to Waldorf Astoria, where dreams are made of ocean breezes and fancy slippers. Today, we're doing a little room tour because this place deserves its own spotlight. Psst, spoiler, I didn't pay a single penny to stay here. But more on that later, so let's dive in. First, the bed. It's beautifully made, and the linens feel incredibly soft and inviting, perfect for a restful stay. Next to the bed, you've got thoughtful touches like this notepad and lamp, adding to the overall elegant feel of the room. The sitting area is such a nice addition. It's ideal also for relaxing with a book or enjoying a quiet moment with a coffee. And of course, the robes and slippers, incredibly soft and add the final layer of comfort to the experience. And finally, the balcony. If this view doesn't make you feel like royalty, I don't know what will. Ocean? Check. Palm trees? Check. Random seagull that's probably judging my life choices? Double check. Waldorf Astoria, the resort, isn't just about the room. You've got the pools, golf courses, the gym, and enough photo ops to keep your Instagram thriving for weeks. Condiment bar was also complete with a variety of snacks and drinks. Whether you're craving something sweet or savory, they've definitely got you covered. The mini fridge is stocked with drinks like sparkling water, sodas, and wine, and also a bunch of different liquors. Bathroom is sleek and modern, features a spacious standing shower, a beautiful set of Aesop products. For those unfamiliar, Aesop is known for their high-quality skincare with natural ingredients and elegant scents. Quite a luxurious touch that makes your stay feel extra special. I wasn't planning on leaving any food reviews in this video, but I have to leave an honorable mention. We got so hungry, went to Aveo Table Bar, and Bruce surprised us with the best tuna tartare that we've ever had in our lives. Shout out to the chef for bringing this out to us. This was an amazing dish. If you want to hear more about the food that we ate at Waldorf Astoria, make sure to check out our next video.
Avocado crema on the bottom, and a mango togadashi crema sauce that's around the side where the powder is in the yellow.
Hey honeymooners, it's time to spill the tea. You've seen the room, you've seen the views, you've seen the vibes, you've seen the food, and now you're wondering, how do I stay here for free? Wife and I got married recently, and our wedding was at a Hilton hotel. We were on the hunt for a credit card that allowed us to accumulate points quickly and stay at luxury resorts around the world. Looking back, I can't believe we stayed at one of the most luxurious resorts in the world, Conrad Maldives, for a total of 6 days and 5 nights, without paying a single dime. And if you've loved our Waldorf Astoria Monarch Beach video so far, you're gonna have to check out our Conrad Maldives video. It's a whole other level of dreamy with overwater villas, turquoise lagoons, and some surprises you're not gonna want to miss. Give it a watch, let us know what you think. We'll leave the link in the comments. Anyways, back to our story. We decided to open a Hilton credit card to help us accumulate points faster. At that time, there was an offer. If you open a Hilton Surpass credit card, you'd get a total of 130,000 points in addition to a free night certificate, after only spending $2,000 within the first 3 months of the card membership. Surprisingly, that card also offered a second free night reward after spending only $15,000. Because the points we accumulated from our wedding spend was more than sufficient to cover our honeymoon, we ended up with a few extra free night certificates, one of which we chose to utilize at Waldorf Astoria Monarch Beach, California. If you've watched this far, here's a pro tip for saving money on the parking while staying at Waldorf Monarch Beach. Parking is valet only, and during our stay, it would have cost approximately $70. But conveniently, there's street parking approximately 10-minute walk away. Literally, only one stoplight.
And that wraps up our incredible stay at the Waldorf Astoria Resort. From the luxurious amenities to the unparalleled service, it's truly an experience we won't forget. But we're just getting started. In our next video, we're going to dive into all the delicious details about the food, the stunning restaurants, the exclusive diamond perks, and the property itself. So trust us, you don't want to miss it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up down below, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you're the first one to know when the next video drops. And before you go, we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know about your favorite Hilton property and where you'd love to stay next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.